Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you. Not every light is gonna guide you.
Yeah, when I blow up, I'ma soar high like Peter Pan. In real life, be living all my dreams. If I'm waking up, it's in a foreign land. Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership, never ask the price. I'll hit the mall and ball with my dogs. Yeah, I swipe it once without thinking twice. Cause this what I was made for. Man, I know this what I came for. On a big stage, couple thousand people, and they do whatever I say so. Have chicks hair color of the rainbow. Yeah, chains on me like Django. Be a long way from my tank low. Cause my Tesla charge for them bank rolls. And I'm grinding, money on my mind, and I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah, remind me.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you.
Alright, so the next step I'll be making the firewall. At this stage I'm not quite sure what I'll be doing, but I'll just try and make it flow in with the rest of the design. Maybe not go quite so detailed, like with the bead rolling, just keep it simple. The firewall's actually quite small, so there's not really much I can do there, but I might just do some, nice metal shaping, make it all flow in and roll under and mount to that removable tunnel. So I've mocked up the steering position, I put the steering wheel in, the headers, so I 3D printed some clipped together headers so that I kind of know roughly where they're going to be so that I've got enough clearance from the firewall. And the pedal box, which I don't know if I'm going to use the aftermarket one I got. It comes with an engineer certificate which makes it handy, but it's set up for manual as well, like it's a sort of a universal one, and it's a lot more bulky than it has to be. And obviously I'm struggling with space under that dash. I might actually just make my own that's slimmer and a little bit shorter as well. But I'll allow enough room for it regardless. So something I didn't show at the start of the video was my partner Michael and I, we ripped out the 302 Windsor out of the NF Fairlane donor car. We just did this out on the lawn because, obviously we don't have concrete yet or a hoist. So we used his dad's tractor on the lawn, and yeah, we got it out and then put the tractor in the shed and yeah, lowered it in there. It's mocked up at the moment. It's all level and right where it needs to be, but nothing's mounted properly. So that'll be one of the next steps. The reason I've done it in this order is I needed to know how far back I could push that engine, and to do that I had to cut the firewall out and the tunnel and the floor out to make it all fit. So the cab's got to be structurally sound before I can pull it off, and I need to pull it off to Z-notch the chassis. And I can't mount the engine until I Z-notch the chassis, so that's kind of why it's in this order. What Z-notching means is actually a cut and sort of notch or step up the front of the chassis, just to raise all the steering components, the cross member, like everything comes up, just for clearance, because at the moment that engine cross member is much lower than the chassis, and I want the sills to sit on the ground. Next video I'll be working out what I'm doing with the firewall and mounting the engine and probably Z-notching the chassis. That's kind of the next logical step with this. I need to attack the roof at some point, like it needs like this much taken out of it to look proportionate. But I think I'll sort all of that out. I don't know, I might change my mind, we'll see. But yeah, stay tuned for the next one.